maraming nag-agree na we have depleted lineup, na kulang kami sa tao, pero maganda yung defense namin, nanalo kami sa championship series. Ito hindi individual team, parang sa group team, sa group. So to win games, you must trust and believe each other.
Yeah, no, defense and their belief in each other, yan ang nagdala sa kanila ng Governor's Cup kahit lalo nakaraang season.
You know, they just exuded a different kind of toughness. Yung finals na yon, they brought it to another level. Yung kanilang every loose ball, lumalaban sila, and they brought the fight to Talk and Text.
22-13 ang nasa ating talaan sa pagbubukas ng
Dondon's hurt.
Oo, si Dondon kanina naman, yung kaliwang tuhod niya, na kanina pa niya inaalalayan. Ito, a look of concern mula sa buong bench ng Petron.
If you go back to the first quarter, Dondon Ontiveros actually tried to make a move at the baseline, and when he made that move, hinawakan niya na yung binti niya from his knee down. And then he went to the bench, and ngayon, kakapasok lang, it looks like he was grabbing onto that same area.
Ito, tignan natin ulit. Ano nga ba nangyari doon? Magtapak no?
Very hard to say, but obviously, felt a twitch. Kung patakbo pa lang siya.
At yun na rin yung napansin natin kanina, pagpunta pa lang niya sa bench. As Baroka turns it over.
I don't envy itong sitwasyon ni Mark Baroka dahil unang salta niya dito sa PBA, ang bumabantay sa kanya si Denok Miranda. And Denok Miranda, one of the better defending guards out there. And the thing is, he has enough quickness to stay with you, pero ang advantahe nito si Denok Miranda, binabangga ka pa.
Isa pa doon, isa sa mga idol nito ni Baroka, si Miranda rin Binabagin niya, lahat ng nanggaling FPU point guard factory nga yan Abarientos, Miranda, lahat sila Diyan nanggaling. Siyempre si Baroka yung latest generation, tinitingalaan din yan. At yan pa bumabantay sa kanya. Cabagnot kontra Roger Yap. 5 seconds na titira sa kanilang shot clock. Cabagnot, is he aware? Over to Sharma. At ang pinakabagong place booster gets the 2 points.
It almost seemed that Sharma was just a bonus in that trade, but si Carlos Sharma will play a big part dito sa Petron dahil kinakailangan nila ng big man, and he's another guy that can bring that toughness, the same toughness that Petron had during the last conference.
Tandaan natin, wala na nga si Aluseni. Washington, wala rin. Tapos yung Pinisi, nawala na rin dito sa Petron, nandun na sa Barako Bull. As Petron turns it over once again. 7 ang abante ng BMEG. 22-15. Sa kalahati lumilipas sa ating second quarter. Nunod ko kayo dito sa Active on IBC ng ika-37 season ng inyong Philippine Basketball Association. Margin ko kasama the distinguished gentleman mula dyan sa kapitbahay ng Cuneta na si James Webb. Inabot na sa mukha, pumasok pa yung tira. Matibay yan si Baroka.
For Mark Baroka, you'd say that he has all these tools. May quickness siya, meron naman, he has a decent shot from the outside. What I like best about him is he stays even keeled. Pag yung emotions niya always in check, he makes that shot pagkatapos, no problem. Lumapit lang siya kay James Yap, inangat lang si James Yap.
Parang bagay pa kay Baroka yung first 2 points na napakita yung toughness niya, Inaabot na, pero yung balance niya hindi nawawala, even in a jump shot or on a jump shot. 24-15, siya mang hinahabol dito ng Petron. Cabagnot, over to Sharma. Sharma naipit, nabuyog, nawala ng bola. Meyerhaber nagbalik na rin, siya ng gulo. So, sa last sequence na yon, ang sampayan brigade na itong BMEG. Ribes, Meyerhaber at Raimundo sabay-sabay sa sahig. Kasama ni Roger Yap at Baroka.
BMEG doing a good job of setting good screens. Kaya nalilibre yung mga player nila.
Raimundo, surveys the floor, goes to Baroka. Pulls up. Mark will miss. Sharma, natabig ang bola, napunta kay Miranda. Miranda is fouled by Raimundo. No choice dahil si Baroka na lang naiwan na last line of defense doon. At yun ang isang napansin natin ngayon. Yung pamimigay nito ni Kirby Raimundo ng foul. No pass break layup rule ni Coach Tim Cone. Aantalain mo, mamigay kayong foul. Patented na ni Coach Tim Cone yan, di ba? Kabagnot. Over to Ildefonso. Nakakita ng puwang. Huli pa rin ni Meyerhofer.
And itong BMEG, such a better defensive team. Guys like Rico Meyerhofer as well as Rafi Rivas are able to play.
Ildefonso atake. 8 segundo sa kanilang shot clock. Jump hook ang ginamit ngayon. Pumalbog pa pasok.
And Danny Ildefonso adjusting. Alam niya maraming mga shot blocker. Ginagawa niya kontra-tempo. When he got to the paint, shot very early bago pa maspalpal yung tira niya.
3 minuto lumilipas sa ating second quarter. Here's Baroka. Hesitation move. Tumama ba sa kanyang tuhod? Mapupunta ang possession sa Petron. (24-17). Ito pa rin. Pilit inahabol dito ng Petron Blaze Boosters. Ildefonso lobs it down low. Miranda taking advantage of the defense of Baroka. Tumawag muna ng timeout si Coach Tim Cone. 5 ang abante pa rin ng BMEG dito. 24-19. Magbabalik po kami.
Siya ang Filipino-American boxer na yumayanig sa sino mang humarang sa kanyang harapan. Mapa southpaw man o orthodox ang kalaban, kayang-kaya niya. Kasalukuyang tangan-tangan ang WBC at WBO Bantamweight World Titles. At number 4 sa pound-for-pound best fighter sa buong mundo. Ngayong Oktubre, masasaksihan mo na ang bilis at lakas ng The Filipino Flash sa Active.
And you're back with us here at the Coneta. Na kung saan kanina, nakita natin ito si Don Ontiveros was grimacing in pain sa bench. At si Sel Guevara, alam ang story.
Alam nyo, guys, diba may napansin nga tayo kanina na may iniinda siya sa kanyang kaliwang tuhod. Alam mo, kwento niya sa akin kasi kanina na nag-treadmill siya last week at nasobrahan ata niya yung pagtakbo sa treadmill. Binilisan niya, kaya yung calves niya, yung kanyang dalawang calves, kaliwa at kanan, ay masakit ngayon. Kaya kahapon hindi siya nag-practice. Nung Monday, di din niya natapos yon. Pero sabi niya, maganda na rin na nakatapat nila ang BMEG this early. At siguro, iti-take niya, tatanggapin niya day by day. Titingnan niya day by day kung ano magiging kondisyon niya sa paglalaro dito sa Petron. Back to you guys.
Maraming salamat, Kessel. So, yun. Iniinda na pala o inaalala na ni Don Ontiveros. Yung slight injury. Slight naman mukha namang hindi ganun ka bad news yan. Para dito sa Petron Faithful. 3 segundo na lang sa shot clock na itong BMEG. Roger Yap has to hurry. Roger all the way to the hole.
And that's an advantage of BMEG. Yes, they're playing a system, but they have so many players that can actually create for themselves. And Roger Yap getting 2 right there.
Sharma, 26-19. Balik sa 7 ang abante ng Llamados. Kabagnot with a runner. Indisyon, nagkarambola. Meyerhofer ang pumulot ng bola. Rico zigzagging his way into a pass. Rivas nakita sa kanto. Si Baroka. Naku, patay ang butiki. Ayan tira. Kabagnot sa kabilang dulo. Huli ka ni Roger Yap, pero merong foul. Sa taga.
Good job on the part of Alex to push it up quickly. On the other hand, para dito naman kay Mark Baroka cannot fall in love with that outside shot. His biggest advantage is his quickness to be able to create. Then he should also he should go to that. They're giving him the outside shot. Can't fall in love with that.
Niluwa lang ng ring yung unang tira na ito ni Alex Cabagnot.
Actually had a chance to speak to Peter Martinez, one of the members of the coaching staff of Petron. Sabi niya, itong sila Alex, itong sila Denok, grabe ang ginalaro sa ensayo. When they won that championship in the last conference, pagbalik nila, yung kumpiyansa ng mga player na yun is just skyrocketed.
Yun ang talagang perks of winning, ano?
And speaking of confidence, maybe Baroka right now struggling with some confidence because hit the side of the board for his jump shot, and ngayon naman, called for an 8-second violation.
Abagnot sa kabilang dulo. Scoop, sirap in. Ayun na yung kumpiyansa binabanggit mo.
Iba pag meron kang kumpiyansa, even if you're going to your weaker side, you still feel na kaya mo mag-create yung mga sitwasyon na gano'n.
At ito na ang pinakamalapit na nailapit ng Petron. Mabasa 4 ang abante ng derby ng BMEG. Corner jumper mula sa kanan. Maroka Meyerhofer. Inabot ng foul.
Sides again off BMEG. Nagpapahirap dito sa Petron. There was already a shot from the outside, but no one grabbed the basketball para dito sa Petron. Rico got it, and ngayon nasa free throw line siya.
May pagkakataon, itong si Meyerhofer. Nabasagin yung katahimikan para dito sa BMEG. Bitin yung una. Kita mo naman dyan sa ilalim ng ating screens. Ito yung mga Twitter and Facebook messages ninyo. Add nyo po kami sa Twitter, PBA on Active. Tapin nyo rin yung fan page sa Facebook. Yun din po, PBA on Active din ang inyong isa-search. At ang inyong mga mensahe, babasahin ni Konsehal, mamaya-maya lamang.
Ito na lang magbasa, kaya na yan. Nakikita na naman yan eh.
Sila Miko Halili, makakasama natin sa halftime. Aba, i-update nila yung poll question natin. As Denok Miranda delivers mula sa labas, 4 na puntos para sa kanya. 6 minuto na ditira sa ating second quarter. 3 na lamang ang abante netong BMEG. Naguluhan pa itong si Simon. 8 segundo sa kanilang shot clock. Meyerhofer, dumaan sa pick ni Roger Yap. Aba, role reversal yun Kirby, hop, step, and a scoop. Mintis, Meyerhofer keeps it alive. Isa na naman possession para dito sa BMEG.
And again, it's Rico Meyerhofer being able to get that offensive rebound.
Kick out pass. Roger for a 3. Bang!
Roger Yap doesn't really take a lot of three-point shots, but that time around, that three-point shot in rhythm, nakita mo, swabing-swabe yung release ni Roger.
7 points para dito kay Roger Yap. Carlo Sharma. Mintis from the outside. Roger Yap na naman may tangan ng bola. Roger Yap not the youngest of guys dito sa PBA. Pero merong Jonas Villanueva sa team niya na may Urbis Tondo pa silang nakuha last season or late last season. Tapos ngayon merong Baroka. Mukhang nag-wait itong si Roger Yap hindi off-season
Well, and for Roger Yap, the pace of the triangle offense, especially on the half court, might actually help his game.
Bagay DJ Simon on the second serving. Pasok yung babanda niya.
And speaking of helping their game, para dito sa Petron, if they want to be able to get over this lead, they've got to start rebounding because it's an 8-point lead para sa BMEG.
Manalo ng 2 tickets sa Black Eyed Peas live in Manila. Sa October 25 po yan, 2011 sa SM Mall of Asia Grounds. Para makasali sa promo, sagutin lang ang katanungan na ito. Sino ang MVP ng 2011 season na tinatawag ring Mighty Mouse? Letter A, Jimmy Alabag. Letter B, Agamula. Pwede ba may letter C? Hingi na lang tayo kay Jason. Kanina may letter C ka doon sa full question
Ako nga naghahanap ng
Bakit iba yung question? Question din yan, pwede rin. As we take a look at our good Commissioner Chito Saluda, nandiyan sila Boss Willie Marshall at VIP Road dito sa Cuneta. Nice crowd on a Wednesday evening, Jason.
And actually, that crowd really had to line up outside. Yan, napansin natin ngayon, dumating tayo ng mga alas 5, may pila na. Tapos pati nung alas 7, yung pila hindi pa rin nawawala.
Hanggang fourth quarter na nung first game natin, ang haba pa rin ang pila sa labas. Inabangan talaga ng tao. Ang unang sulyap dito kay Coach Lincoln at syempre, ang unang sulyap sa ngayong kampiyon na Petron Blaze Boosters. As we take a look at si Mark Agustin, nasa sahig na para dito sa Petron. Hinuli pa niya si Rico Meyerhofer.
Actually been playing for about 4 minutes already itong si Agustin. And he's had that matchup. That time around, he wins out on Rico, but a couple of times Rico has gotten offensive rebounds off of him.
32-26 na sa ating tala na 6 mga bante ng BMEG. Kabagnota atake, pulls up from that right baseline. Itis ang kanyang tira, second serving para sa Petron. Agustin, hindi naman mabawian ng atake. Itong si Meyerhaber, higigil siyempre yan si Rico, makabawi ng butata. Kapag may nakabutata sa yung rookie, medyo ilang no? Parang gusto mo bumawi ka agad.
Hindi naman ako nasusupalpal ng rookie kasi hindi ako tumitira eh.
Ayun. Kala ko pang veterano lang ang humuhuli sa'yo.
Hindi rin eh. Hindi rin ako tumitira. Hindi rin ako tumitira.
32-28.
Nice
Apat na
pass.
lang, ha?
That's just a nice pass right there by Mark Pingris. Reading the defense right away and reading that cut, a quick cut on the part of PJ Simon.
Ito si Mark Agustin ang inabot ng foul. Drafted by Powerade. Hindi nakarating do sa lineup ng Tigers. At na-pick up naman itong Petron and now playing under his dad. At ikaw, second generation players here in the PBA, iba rin yung may pressure na dadalhin mo sa pangalang nasa likod mo.
I guess it doesn't matter anymore when you get to the PBA because that pressure already started when you were playing, if there was any pressure. Kasi mula pa lang, kung high school man lang yan or ligan labas, dala-dala mo na yan. And I don't think it changes as you change from league to league because you get used to it because it's something that you live with simula nang bininyagan ka.
Yun talaga yun, no? So it's 34-28. BMEG, balik sa 6 ang kanilang abante. Wala na pong 4 na minuto na titira sa ating first half. Mamaya po, makakasama na naman natin sina Miko Halili. Pwede bang si Miss Janelson na lang ang makasama natin? Huwag na si Kuya Miko. Palitan dito ng Mintis. James Yap over to Kirby. 3 minutes. Mahigit 3 minutes na lang natitira sa ating first half. Levans against Lutz. Kanina pa nila gusto puntahan yan. Huli ni Lutz!
Gotta give credit to Chris Lutz, much smaller than the Vance, but able to hold his own.
Arwin sa kabilang dulo makes them pay.
Chris Lutz acting like a veteran right there on one end, able to get a shot block. Pagkatapos nun, hindi siya tumigil. Pushed the ball right away and made the right decision on a fast break.
James pulls up. Nailang kay Lutz. Arwin para sa rebound. Tabagnot survey sa floor. Pang 5 rebound na yan para dito kay Spider-Man. Sharma magbibigay ng pick. Sabay slide. Sharma pulls up from that left baseline. It's Arwin. To Lutz. Bitin nga lang. Arwin na naman. The Spider-Man is all over the floor, Jason.
Arwin Santos' ability to jump once, twice, 3 times with the same leap, the same height, is what really sets him apart from other basketball players. You saw it right there. He got 2 offensive rebounds. It's just in a span of about 5 seconds.
Pisong-piso itong si Simon kay Cabagnot. Gusto bumawi. PJ! Sinigurado yung pangalawa. 8 points in the game para kay Simon.
PJ Simon may have been surprised nung unang beses na sumpalpal, but second time around, able to gather his legs underneath him. Mas sabi niya, hindi na pwede ulit yan. Ako naman ang shoot sa'yo.
36-32. Wala na pong 2 minuto natitira sa ating first half. Right corner pocket jumper Mintis. Pingris over to Simon. PJ. Naipit. Kirby. Hesitates on that 3. Gets it to JDV. Dadahan-dahanin daw muna ng BMEG ang kanilang atake. James against Arwin. Nabitawan. Santos talagang Mr. Everything. Sabay binall fake pa sa mukha ni James Yap. Lutz sa kabila. As Petron will set this one up.
Good job right there just to pull the ball out dahil wala silang mga numero. Only had 4 guys down compared to the 5 defenders already para sa BMEG.
Lutz. Nadaan sa pick ni Sharma. Lutz pa rin, 3 to shoot, nadulas, pero merong foul.
That's a good call because ito si PJ Simon had been putting his inside hand doon kay Chris Lutz. And when you have your inside hand on an offensive guy, hindi makagalaw yung offensive player.
30-second timeout. I-request ng BMEG Liamados. 36-32 na sa ating talaan. BMEG abante pa rin ang 4 with just 61 seconds remaining sa ating first half. At eto, maalala natin, ulitin natin to. Manalo ng 2 tickets sa Black Eyed Peas Live in Manila sa October 25 po yan. Dito sa SM MOA Grounds. Para makasali sa promo, sagutin lang ang katanungan na ito. Yan ang tamang tanong. Saan nagaganap ang ating PBA Games? Sa Sa Pilipinas po ba? O saan? Konsehal si Jason Webb? O sa Amerika?
Sinama mo pa yun, ha? Pero huwag kayong mag-alala. Kung yung una, yun yung sinagot nyo, yung answer nung una, parehong letter naman eh.
Sa bagay.
Tinignan natin.
Hindi pwede yung manghingi sa'yo. Hindi pwedeng yun ang answer.
Pwede kayo humingi, pero wala naman ako ibibigay.
Dali ka manghingi din. Lalo pa isang minuto na dito na sa ating first half. Shot clock at 2. Arwin! Mindis pero ang bola na balik sa Petron. Long shots equal long rebounds. Nakita natin yung Prueba no. Abagnot. Nakita si Santos. Ball and pass underneath. Sharma moving well without the leather.
Starts off with a good pick and roll, and after that, a good cut on the part of Carlos Sharma. Did not stop. And since he did not stop, eventually reached an area na nalibre siya.
At ang maganda doon, pwede pang bumalik sa Petron ang bola. Dahil may diferensyang mga 6-7 segundo ang shot clock at quarter clock. Meron ng foul.
That hurts. That hurts Petron a bit. Bakit? Dahil kung kanina may oportunidad sila na makuha pa yung bola, right now, BMEG has a chance to take the last shot with just 1.5 second differential.
Pwede mo na ihagi sa area na pumutok yung buzzer, ano?
But if I'm Petron right now, I'm looking at the clock. If it goes down to about 4 seconds, I'm fouling.
Simon up and under, off the glass for 2! Binabawian si Kabagnot.
Bumawi na si PJ Simon, may sukli pa.
Yun, 3 segundo na ditira sa second quarter. Kabagnot sa kabilang dulo! Bang!
Sukli ba ka mo? Ito isusukli ko sa'yo.
Long to lamang yun, pero mukha namang counted para kay Alex Kabagnot. Nice bawi, ano? Personalan ang labanan dito sa Cuneta Astrodome. So, 38-36 kung counted yun. Ayun na nga, kinount na ng ating referees. It's a 2-point game after 24 minutes, Jason.
It's an easy call right here. Doesn't take a rocket scientist to figure out if this goes in because this left his hand with a full 1 second to go.
So it's gonna be 38-36 matapos ang unang 24 na minuto ng aksyon. Ang BMEG Llamados abante ng 2 puntos as we send it downstairs kung saan si James Yap ay kasama ni Sel Guevara.
Yes, guys, kasama ko nga ngayon si James. So, James, as a team and, personally, paano ka nag-a-adjust sa triangle offense?
Well, sabi lang ni Coach na whatever happens, kailangan sikam sa system namin. And kung ano may yung natutunan namin sa triangle, i-apply namin this game para makita namin kung saan na kami.
Alright, sige, thank you so much. And back to you guys.
Maraming salamat kay Sel. Tutok lang kayo dito sa PBA on Active dahil sa aming pagbabalik Miko Alili, huwag niyo napansinin, pero Miss Janelso nandiyan dyan sa studio. Kaya naman tutok lang kayo, wag alis dito sa Active.